Hello, this is Dr. Robert Pollack, the creator of SupraMed. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enter payments into SupraMed. Remember, only staff members with cashier privileges can enter payments. You can reach the cash register through the top-level menu Money icon. Initially, you select the source of payment. This may be a patient, an insurance company, or some other source. Examples of other sources would be a copy service paying for a patient's chart, or someone who is not a patient purchasing products. Let's look at the patient as the payer. First, select the patient using the standard patient search box. Once selected, the patient's insurance copay amount and account balance, if any, will be displayed. The provider for the patient is automatically selected. Click the Next button, takes you to the cash register display. There are 5 tabs for different categories of patient payments. The Services tab includes minor surgical procedures, skincare treatments, consultation fees, and charges for clerical activities. These items can be customized by the program administrator. Clicking on one of these buttons will add them to the register. Clicking on the item in the register allows it to be edited. It can be discounted, the quantity can be updated, or it can be deleted. The Products tab allows you to record counter and medication sales. You can identify taxable items as well as the sales tax rate for your area. SupraMed will keep track of sales tax collected and allow you to maintain control of your product inventory. The Copay tab allows you to add a copay charge for a doctor encounter on that day. If there is no encounter on that day, a message is shown and the Add button is disabled. If the patient has an outstanding account balance, the Pay Account tab will be enabled and the full or partial account balance can be added. The last tab is for prepayments for surgical procedures. This will display the most recent price quote which has been scheduled. The total fee, any prior payments, and the balance due is shown, as well as a breakdown of itemized charges. This provides all the information in one place to see what the patient owes for an upcoming surgery. Once all the charges have been entered, the cashier selects one or more payment types. In addition to cash, check, or credit card, a payment can also be identified as care credit or a gift certificate. After all payments have been entered, click Finish, and a receipt will be generated, which can then be printed for the patient. If the original payment source was insurance, it's only necessary to enter the payment amount and the check number to complete the transaction, and no receipt is printed. The other payment source only includes the Products and Services tabs for purchases that do not involve patient care, and a receipt is printed for these.